Just a short little video here to show you a garden tool that you probably already have, and that's a butter knife. Now, the butter knife can work sort of like a garden weeder like this, except instead, having these two prongs that can kind of get in the way of getting into the dirt. You just have the one single piece. The way this works is basically you can just take it, dig into the soil, and you remove it. Now, for these things will still grow back as their root system actually goes a lot deeper than I can get even with a butter knife, but works for anything. You can even get in right up close. You can even get in right up close here or to a plant that you want to keep without really hurting the root system. Just one more demonstration. We have right here a Egyptian walking onion I'd like to keep, but it's filled with weeds. So I can just go in, get the weeds out like so. See how easy they're coming up? And I can get right in next to the plant I want to keep. I haven't disturbed that plant at all. And that's your new garden tool. Now you can also use a flat chisel, but that risks rusting after a while since you're going into damp soil and all that. This won't rust. Hope this helps.